Start.
Good morning, children. So you all know that we have been learning arithmetic progression or AP. We came to know the meaning of arithmetic progression and its definition. We have also learned that a set of number is arithmetic progression or not just by knowing whether they have common difference or not. If they have common difference, we clearly declare that the given set of number is arithmetic progression. All those things we have learned, and its application also we have learned. Today, so we are going to learn about how to frame the arithmetic progression, how to form the arithmetic progression. For example, here is given, write first four terms of an AP. To write first four terms of an AP. Not only four terms, you can write any number of n number of terms if you know only two things, that is first term and the common difference, because these are the main raw material which is required for arithmetic progression. If you know this, the first term and the common difference, then n number of terms you can make. So the question is, write first four terms. Asked to write first four terms, but you can frame 5 terms, 6 term, 10 term or n terms you can make if you know just two things, that is first term and common difference. Okay, how? Let me explain you. Once again, we will define. Before going to this, we will define that. So if you are very much clear about the definition, then the problem solving will become very easy. Now see that there are two ways of defining this arithmetic progression. The one way is, it is a list of number having common difference between two consecutive numbers. If two consecutive numbers have a common difference, then we are going to say that it is arithmetic progression. That is one way of defining. One way of defining is nothing but a list of number having common difference between the consecutive numbers. The other way is, an arithmetic progression is a list of number which we get by adding a constant to the previous number. If we add a constant to previous number, we get the subsequent number. For example, A is the first term. If we add a common difference D to the A, it becomes A plus D. If we add D again to A plus D, it becomes A plus D plus D, A plus 2D. Again for A plus 2D, if you add D, which is common, it becomes A plus 3D. That means to say, in general, A plus D, A plus D it is general formula, A plus D becomes, it shows that for first term, you have added the common difference to get the second term. First term is as usual, for example 10. You have first term 10. How do you get second term? Second term you will get by adding common difference. First term is 10, common difference is also 10, so that it becomes 20. This 20 is the second term. How you got second term? By adding common difference to the first term, you got second. Now how will you get third term? By adding common difference to second term. What is second term here? Second term is 20. How you get third term? Add a common difference to the second term, so that you get third term. 20 plus 10 is 30. How do you get fourth term? By adding common difference again to the third term. What is third term here? Third term is 30. How do you get fourth term? Add common difference for the third term, plus 10 is equals to. Now this is what you are required to do. It is asked, write the first four terms. We have got four terms. What is given? First term and the common difference. The only thing what we need is first term and the common difference. If you know first term and common difference, any number of terms we can form. So it is formed. First, what was given is first term and common difference. First term is A equals 10 here. I will first term. So I will keep on adding the common difference to the number, so that I will get subsequent number. For example, for 10 I have added common difference 10, so that I got 20. For 20 I have added common difference 10, so I got 30. For 30 I have added common difference 10, so I got 40. And again, if you want, I get 50, 60, like this. Did you understand, children? Did you understand? The very easy way is to frame arithmetic progression or to form arithmetic progression, two things are very important. That is A and D. A is nothing but first term and the common difference. This is one example. Second example is there. First term here is given. First term A and D is given. First term is 5. How you get the second term? By adding common difference to the first term. What is the common difference? 3. 3 plus 5. How much? 8. 8 is the second term. How you get the third term? By adding common difference to the second term. 8 plus 3. How do you get fourth term? By adding common difference to the third term. That is 11 plus 3. So this is how the general formula is been made. General formula is been made in the sense that for first term, keep on adding common differences so that you will get subsequent numbers. For example, A, you add B, so that second term you get. For A plus D is the second term, add again D, you will get A plus 2D. For A plus 2D, add again D, you will get A plus 3D, A plus 4D, like this. Did you understand, children? Did you understand everything? So thing is, to form AP, you should know first term and common difference. Keep this in the mind. First term and common difference. First term, if you know, if you add common difference to the first term, you will get second term. How do you get third term? By adding common difference to the second term, you will get third term. How will you get fourth term? By adding common difference to the third term, you will get fourth term. Once again, I will repeat. First term, how do you get second term? Point is, first term you have. How do you get second term? Add common difference to the first term, you will get second term. How do you get third term? Add common difference to second term, you will get third term. In the same way, first term is 10. Add common difference so that you will get second term. Add common difference, third term. Add common difference. Did you understand, children? If you have any doubt, you just post it in the WhatsApp. So we will clear in the next video. Thank you, children.